Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this song we're tuned to E flat. So just tune each string down a semitone or a half step. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start on this C power chord, down, mute, and then do down, up. Then the last down we're going to slide up to the D power chord. So down, mute, down, up, down, and sliding up, and then repeat that again. Down, mute, down, up, down. On this down we're going to slide up to the F sharp, so 9 on the A, 11 on the D and the G. Then play that again and slide up 1 fret to the G. And then down, up, and do that again. Down, up, and again. Down, up, and then to finish that off, go on that G, up, down, up. Then we repeat it all again back to that C. The D, to the F sharp, and out. Now to finish it off, we're going to do on that G, up, down. So there's an extra G there, and then just put in a pick slide there. And that's all the parts to the intro. So we're going to break this verse into 2 parts. The first part, we're just playing the G power chord. We're going to play 1 and then do all palm mutes for 2 bars. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that 2 times. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go back to the D power chord and do exactly the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go back to the C power chord and do the same again. Then we're going back to the G power chord, but this time we're just playing it through once. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the D power chord through once. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and at the end of that D power chord there's a fill there. So a G string, 10, hammer onto 11, play 10E, go back to the G, 10, hammer onto 11, and 12 on the D. So that's the first part of the verse. Now let's do the second part. I'll do the rhythm first and we'll have a look at the little solo fills that go over the top. So we're going to start on the G power chord for this part. We're going to do 2 offs, 2 mutes, off, mute, and we're going to do that 4 times. Go back to the D and do exactly the same thing 2 times. Then we're just going to play the D open and finish with palm muting for 2 bars, and there's a fill in there that we'll have a look at in a minute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then go back to the C power chord, same pattern again 2 times. Off, mute, mute, off, mute. Then play the C again 2 more times. Then we're going to play A, 6, 7, 5, D and G, do that again, 6, 7, 5, D and G, and again, 6, 7, 5, D and G, pull off to the open D and G, and then play 7, A and D. So Back to the G, same pattern 2 times. Back to the D, 2 times, same pattern. And just finish on that open D there, and then we're getting ready for the chorus. So let's have a look at the 2 little fills in there. So we're just starting on 10 on the E and the B, 2 palm mutes on the open D, then play 9G, 8B, 2 palm mutes on the open D, 7 on the G, 7 on the B, 3 palm mutes on the open D, play the 9G, 8B again, play again and slide back to 7 and 7 and play the 7 and 7 again. So and that's what we're going to call the second fill there. And then right before the chorus we just have 2 harmonics on the 7th fret B and 7th fret G. And they're all the parts to the first verse. So for our chorus, we're just playing the first line of the intro through 2 times. And again. Then go back to the C and do it the same as the intro again. To the D, same again. This time slide up to the E minor bar chord. I'm going to play it 2 times. Back to C, we're going to do off, mute, off, off. Back to A the same. Off, mute, off, off to D. And do a stop. Then we're changing this outro part for the chorus. We're going to do the F sharp, 9, 11, 11, slide up to the G 1 fret. And then do down, up, down, up, and do that again. And that's our chorus there. So the second verse changes a little bit. We're going to play the G power chord again, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the and play the off again, so and 1, back to our palm muting, and 2 and 3 and 4 and then go on the 1 again, 2 and 3 and 4 and then do a palm mute, off, 2 palm mutes, off, palm mute, off, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then we're going back to the D, we're just doing the off and then just all mutes, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So then we're just doing that same fill as we did in the first verse. Then go back to the C and we're going to do the off, off, mute, mute, off, mute. Do that 3 times. Now the 4th time we do the off, off and do 3 more offs. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the G, same pattern again. 2 times and then to the D, same pattern again. And while we're playing that D, we've got the 7th fret harmonic on the B and the G again. And that's our second verse. So the next chorus we play it exactly the same, except after the D we change there. So we have that D stop, then we're going back to the intro from the F sharp to the G 3 times. Then just play that G 2 more times. Then back to a D power chord and just palm muting eighth notes for 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's our second chorus. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. I'll just talk you through this because it's fairly easy. We're going to have the C and same rhythm as before. So 2 times. Come up to the G, do the same 2 times. Back to C 2 times. To D 2 times. Back to C 2 times. Then go to a G, a low G power chord. Then just go to the A power chord and just building up with eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and an off at the end there. And they're the parts of the solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So now last chorus is going to change a little bit. We have the C up to the D, same as previous choruses. The D, sliding up to the F sharp, and then we're just doing our little F sharp to G fill 4 times. 2, 3, 4, back to the C again, same, up to the D, sliding up to the F sharp, and this time we're going to do the fill 2 times. Now the third time we're going to do F sharp, slide to G again, play the G, then come back to F, so 8 on the A, 10 on the D, and the G 3 times. Back to the C, to the D again, the D again, up to our E minor 2 times, back to C, so this is the same as the previous choruses, to A, then jump it to the D, and we just do palm muting, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to the G. So off, mute, off, 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 to the E. Off, mute, off, 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 to C, same. D. Then we're going to play the G, play it again, G, go back 1 fret, back 1 fret, back 1 fret, and we're ending up on the E, mute, off, off, off. So back to the C again, slide up to the D, stop there, and then we just have our F sharp to G slide 3 times. Stop, do that again. Stop, and then we're just playing the G chord, tremolo picking, and playing the G. And we'll look at all those little solo parts in a minute. Let's do the main solo first. So we're going to start with a slide up to 5 on the G, 5 on the B. Then play it again. Then we have 4G 3B 2 times, 2G 1B 2 times, and then open G and B, and we do that through 2 times. Then slide up to 12 on the G and the B 2 times, and then 11G 10B 2 times, 9G 8B 2 times, 7 on the G and the B 2 times, and then back to the 5s, 4G 3B 2 times, 2G 1B 2 times, open G and B. Then we just play the first one again 2 times with the 5s. And again. Now we're going to tremolo pick the 7th fret on the G and the B, and then go 9G 8B, 11G 10B, and then 12 on the G and the B. Then we're going to bend 10G, play 8B, 8E, and do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do 1 bend on the 10. And this next part's going to be all pull-offs. On the E, 3, 2, open, pull-offs. Same on the B, 3, 2, open. G, 4, 2, open. D, 4, 2, open. Go back to the G, 4, 2, open. D, 4, 2, open. A, 3, 2, open. E, 3, 2, open. Then go to the 12th fret on the A 2 times, D 9 2 times, 10, 11 to 12. So then we're doing a bend on the 14th fret on the G, bend and release, pull off to 12. And do that again. Play 12. Then we're jumping to 15E 3 times, 15B 3 times, 12G 3 times, 12 on the D 3 times, and then 10 on the A 3 times. And they're all the parts to the main solo. Now let's have a look at the outro solos. So the first one, we're starting with a bend on 17G, play 15B, 15E, then bend 17G again, play 15B, then bend 17G again, 15B, 15E, and then bend 19G and play 17B. Then bend 17E, bend it again, play 17, 15, go to 14E, hammer onto 15, pull off to 14, 15B, and then do a bend. And then to finish off, we're going to do a bend on 17 on the G, play 15 on the E, 18, pull off to 15 on the B, and do that 4 times. And then just play 15 on the E, bend 18 on the E, play the 18 again with a bend, and then just open G with your bar and finish on the G chord. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Talk Dirty to Me Guitar Lesson by Poison. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.